Lady Bosses. My name is Lexi. I'm from Kalamazoo, Michigan. I'm here today to talk to you about the labs, all the products I have here. I'm so excited about this, to talk about this, just because I just got back from the gym today. It's my first, I count as a real day at the gym, and it's because of one of these products. So my favorite product is Fuel, which is the pre-workout. I was pretty nervous about it because I heard it tastes like watermelon Jolly Ranchers, and I do not like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Too sweet for me. Not a sweet person. But this right here, this is amazing. It tastes amazing. I had it, and like I said, I was nervous to try it, but I absolutely love the taste. And this product is the one I recommend of all the labs just because I've never worked out the way I've worked out before in my life like I did today. Like this, take 30 minutes before you go to the gym, and I was nervous. I thought I was going to get the jitters. Like I'd never had pre-workout before. I just felt ready to go. I was ready to go. I finished my set for the first time ever. So this is the one that I recommend. Fuel did a lot for me today, and I absolutely loved it. So have a good day.